are stressed, our brain scans for memories that bring us comfort. And the experts say some of the best childhood memories are tied to food. It is these foods that have come to be known as comfort food. These are different for different people. Hello and welcome to J&J's Food Basket. Today we have two homemade pizzas, a bell pepper pizza and everyone's all-time favorite pepperoni pizza. Just follow along with our video to make pizza from scratch at home in the simplest way that there could be. No worrying about the pizza being stale or turning cold by the time it's delivered to you. Fresh, tasty, warm pizza with ingredients from your own kitchen. Let's get cooking. Is rated as one of the top comfort foods, especially here in Canada and the U.S. It tastes good, it's satisfying, it brings happiness, it's something to look forward to. It provides a sense of comfort, and it almost always reminds us of one of the best college parties or that laid-back movie night. Preparing it at home adds to the freshness and health quotient of this all-round dish. Thank you for watching this video. You will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket.